everyone. So I wanted to show a video of how to make a payment for the IRS. This is the federal payment. If you owe this year, what you're going to want to do if you are paying online, you're going to click on make a payment on the irs.gov website. So you click here and there's a few options on here. So the first one is you can pay from your bank account, no registration required, no fees from the IRS. So that one you would basically pay with your routing and account number. You would click on this link here. So we'll kind of go through the each step here so that way you can see what you'll need. So you'll definitely need an email address. You're going to click on make a payment, and this again is only if you're using your routing and account number. You're going to choose the reason for payment, and this one's going to be balance due. That's going to be the one that's going to apply for your situation. Apply payment to income tax form 1040. That's going to be the one you want to choose. The tax year that you're making a payment for is going to be for 2022. Click continue, click continue again, and then it's going to ask you to verify your identity by using one of the methods here. So it's going to verify your tax information. So for example, they're going to want you to verify your 2021 tax return info, choosing your filing status for 2021. So if you're single or head of household or married, you would choose the one that fits you for that year. Your name, so first, last, confirm your last name again, social security number, date of birth, your address, and this would be what you used on that tax return. Then you just press continue and then you go from there and make the payment. The other method that you can choose is going to be paying with a credit card. So there is fees involved when you pay with a credit card, and there's 3 different third-party things that you can use to make a payment. So you could just choose whichever one is cheapest for you, or whichever one accepts the type of card that you're going to use. So let's just go with the cheapest one. Paying by credit card, 1.85%, and then with your debit card, it's $2.20. Okay, so you're going to click on make a payment. Make a personal payment, click on this one here. Payment category, you're going to use this option right here, 1040 current tax return 2022. Okay. And you're going to check off this box right here, click continue. And it's going to ask you to fill in the basic information, so your name, your social, date of birth, address, your phone number, email address, payment amount, so whatever is on the tax due bill. So let's just say you owe $950, you type it in like that. You're going to select your payment method. Let's see here, so debit or credit. Okay, and you enter your card information and you just go ahead and choose your Visa, American Express, or MasterCard. You're going to choose that here, and you just press continue and you go from there. And then let's take a look at what the other options are. You can sign in. If you have an IRS account, you can pay, by going to sign into your account and going from there, so that way you don't have to verify your information like you did up here. And that's pretty much it. If you can't pay your balance in full, it's going to be usually due by April 18th, but they're going to give us an extension this year. But just keep in mind that if it's not paid by the due date, and you can't afford to pay it in full, you can do the payment plan, but they are going to charge you some fees. So if you want to do the payment plan, there's information here like, do I qualify? What do you need to apply for a payment plan? What does it cost? It is pretty pricey. If you do the long-term payment plan, which gives you up to 5 years and you pay monthly, if you pay through automatic withdrawals, it's a $31 setup fee for low-income people. But it's usually like $200 and something when you're not low income. So let me see here. Installment agreement, pay monthly. There's another option there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I read it was like $200 and something. So if it's $31 for the setup fee, that's awesome. And you would just click on apply as an individual, and you do have to either create an online account, or if you have an existing an account, you would just sign in here, okay? And then you would just follow the prompts, and it's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so the next video is going to be for if you owe the state of California. And I'm actually going to record a different video for that, just so that way there's no confusion in case you only owe one of them. And you're welcome to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.